बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए। तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू चन्नी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday, brother. We've known each other for more than 10 years now, and I don't think there is anything else left to tell you. I've made this video with the messages from your family, your friends in Canada, college, school, and of course, there are some special surprises planned for you. Right at the end of the video, you'll also find a timestamp with everybody's name on it, so that if later you're watching the video again and you want to skip to a specific section, you can do that easily. And I would also like to thank everybody for sending out their messages on such a short notice. Alright, now just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video.
हाँ भाई, अब हम दोनों की तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय।
तेरी माँ मेरे पीछे पड़ी है, मेरे साथ करो, मेरे साथ करो, अकेले नहीं करूँगी, मेरे साथ करो। चलो भाई, मिलके हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय द डे, मस्ती करो, शैतानी करो, मस्ती मारो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
ओके, गॉड ब्लेस।
Hello Akshay,
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
enjoy the day with your GFs.
Happy birthday, Chote. May all your dreams come true. May you have a rocking one this year.
Keep smiling with your broken tooth.
Nice. We love you always.
Happy birthday, Akshay.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय,
Hi.
हाउ आर यू? जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकें। और ये बताओ कि अब तुम बारात लेके कब आए वहाँ? तुम्हारे साथ अपने साथ बराती बन के जाना है। और कनाडा का बता देना।
50 लोगों में इनविटेशन नहीं मिलेगा। 50 में
नहीं, कनाडा में तो है ना भाई, सही बताइयो। हाँ, हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिनों 1000।
50,000 1000 नहीं।
चलिए,
हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय, गॉड ब्लेस यू, मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, खुश रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय। हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय, कनाडा में बर्थडे बनाओ।
Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you are having an amazing time in Canada, and on your birthday I just want to thank you for being an amazing extended family to me and Amit and Ankit to all of us actually, and thank you for always supporting us, cheering for us and being there for us. I still remember when you used to come home and change the entire environment and everything was just fun around you. So I do miss all of that. I miss playing games and having those game parties, game nights, and I do look forward to having those nights again, and maybe in Canada, I don't know, or you coming to India and then having game nights here in India. But yeah, I do miss you around, and but I know that you are there for a reason, and you are having a gala time. So just have fun on your birthday and keep remembering us. And हमारी शादी तो अटेंड कर ली यार, अपनी शादी में भी बुला लो। कब आए?
wish you a very happy birthday, Akshay.
Okay, start. Hi, Akshay. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I miss you. मैं तुझे बहुत मिस करती हूँ और मैं तुझे बहुत जल्दी मिलना चाहती हूँ and all the very best. And now I have something, 2 lines exclusively for you, brother. ना हम अमिताभ, ना दिलीप कुमार, ना किसी हीरो के बच्चे, हम क्या हैं? बताओ
हम हैं सीधे साधे अक्षय.
Hi Akshay, happy birthday, bro. We really sorry we couldn't be there with you.
He's too tall. Happy
But-
birthday.
Yeah, we hope we'll see you soon, man.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Akshay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akshay. Come on.
Happy birthday, Akshay Chachu.
Happy birthday, Chachu!
Yes, happy birthday, Akshay.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, my Chachu.
Happy birthday to you, Miku ke chachu.
Happy birthday, my Chachu.
Happy birthday, our Firangi chachu.
Happy birthday, my Firangi Chachu. Bye, दाढ़ी वाला दादू.
Happy birthday, Canadian.
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्यारे भतीजे, हमेशा खुश रहो और अपने सारे वादे पूरे करो, जल्दी मिलने आओ. बाय बाय.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, cousin bhai.
Happy birthday, भैया.
Hey Akshay, happy birthday, bro. Have a great year ahead. Cheers, bud.
Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope we've succeeded in keeping this beautiful video a secret from you. And I hope you have an amazing day and an even more amazing year ahead.
I want you to feel special and loved today. So, happy birthday. I love you. You're my best friend. And may this be the best year of your life.
Hey Akshay, wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hey, Don Diego! Don Diego also here. Rumor has it it's somebody's birthday. Whoop, whoop. That would be you, my friend. Wishing you the best birthday ever. Lots of success, happiness, joy this year. Lots of stimulations. And when the world goes back to normal, we'll celebrate even harder than we ever have before, which we all know is pretty hard to top, but I think we'll manage. Cheers, Akshay. Happy birthday. Woo!
Happy birthday, bro. I'm sending you the gift back because I'm a beer guy. रात हो गई है, खोलूंगा नहीं.
Hey Akshay, this is just a test video, but you can ignore it.
Yeah, we're learning how to like edit videos.
Yeah, and you're so nice, so we thought that you wouldn't mind about it and you'd be cool about it. So here you go.
Yeah, but I thought we had a point to make.
I don't know.
Remember?
No.
No?
No, I don't remember it either. So when we remember it, we're definitely gonna tell you, okay?
We'll let you know.
Yeah.
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ashki. I hope you have a great year ahead, and I hope this is finally the year where people in Canada learn how to say your name properly. Have a great day.
Hey Akshay, happy birthday.
Hey brother, happy birthday.
I wish you, I hope you have an amazing day and a fantastic year ahead. We are very happy to have you and Sayo as our close friends, and we love you guys and hope we can celebrate this moment and the next birthdays like this. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, wish you all the best always, and hope you enjoy your day, and soon we can get together and enjoy this moment and celebrate again. So yeah, happy birthday and enjoy it. We love you. Peace. Cheers.
Good evening and welcome to NBPM News. In today's top story, it's Khurana's birthday. Reports suggest his infectious charm and laughter are spreading faster than COVID-19.
Speaking of world-ending phenomenons, sources claim he likes to eat Maggie with tomato ketchup. Ew.
If you happen to wish him in person, stay away from trigger words such as Pokemon,
Bloodborne,
Nintendo, and Delhi.
If there's anything we love about him, it's his love for his friends, rivaled by his love for Pixie.
Finally, in weather, we forecast a splash of alcohol,
About a celebration,
a little thunder,
and a little lightning.
with spirits at a record-breaking high.
From the other side of your screens, good night, God bless,
And happy birthday, Khurana.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेबी डॉल, मिलते हैं 17 को।
Happy birthday, Khurana.
Happy birthday, Khurana. Wishing you a very happy birthday, and may you have all the beer fridges that you can possibly have, all the video games, and again all the beer in the world. Happy birthday.
I can't wait for you to come and raid our fridge soon.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Akshay. I am at a cabin in the woods, and I hope that you have a fantastic day, a fantastic birthday. I cannot wait to see you again sometime soon. I miss you so much, both you and Sayo. I'm sending you so much love. And give me a call sometime and let's catch up, because I would love to hear how you're doing. And I really, really, really do hope that you have a very special time, no matter what it is that you get to do. Just enjoy it. Know that I miss the hell out of your laugh. It would be great to hear it. Send me a video of you laughing. That'd be nice. That would help me out a lot, because, you know, it's been a rough year. It's been crazy. But anyways, to get to my very, very, very dear point, I adore you. I hope that you are having a great year despite all the craziness, and I hope to get to see you soon. I really, really, really do. Have a good one. Happy birthday. Lots of love. Bye.
Hey Akshay, buddy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akshay.
Miss you, my man. Hopefully we can do something a lot sooner than later, but sending you all the best. Ciao, ciao.
Hi. This is a message for one of my really good friend who was my roommate in college, and well, I think it's his birthday. Where is he now, by the way? He has come a long way in his life. Now he's in Canada. Also, he has a cat. So he has come a really, really, really long way in life. But though this owner of this cat has his birthday today, so I wish you a happy birthday, Akshay. I love you a lot, man. See you soon. Yeah.
हाय खुरानी, हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई. आई होप कनाडा में सब कुछ बढ़िया है and you are having fun. And yeah, of course ये वीडियो मेरे को बोला गया है काफ़ी फैमिली फ्रेंडली रखना है. सो यार भाई, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है तू, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. मज़े कर खूब. And I hope to see you soon. And yep, let's have fun again. Bye.
अंकित ने हमें बोला कि तेरे लिए वीडियो बनानी है, सो वी वर लाइक कि यार ठीक है यार, बना लेते हैं, उसमें क्या है। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग इंडिविजुअल वीडियोस, इतना टाइम था नहीं हमारे पास, तो हमने सोचा कि यार एक ग्रुप वीडियो बना लेते हैं। हैप्पी बर्थडे खुराना यार, तेरी लाइक वो एनआरआई हो चुका है तरुण की तरह ही, सो लाइक बढ़िया यार, मतलब कि मस्त चिल मारो कनाडा में, और शादी पे जरूर बुलाना, इसी बहाने हम लोग कनाडा घूम लेंगे यार एटलीस्ट। एंड सो दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट यार। अब हम एक एक करके तेरे बारे में कुछ ऐसे अच्छी चीजें बोलेंगे या गाली वाली दे सकते हैं, जैसा जो कि हमें समझ में आएगा। तो ठीक है भाई, नेक्स्ट कौन बोल रहा है बताओ।
सिंधी 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 ये चलो शूटिंग करो।
ओ भाई हीरो आया, नहा धो के आया अपना हीरो।
नहा धो के नहीं उठ गया है।
अबे यार तुम बोल लो यार, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है प्लीज।
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ।
चलो बेटा, तेरे शादी मत कर लेना, तो तू खैर करेगा ही नहीं, तेरे को पूरा भरोसा। तो तुम्हें जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तेरा दर्द भाई समझता है और भाई का दर्द तू समझता है, हमारा क्या दर्द है बताने की जरूरत है नहीं, ठीक है? बाकी क्या बोलते, मजे करो और क्या।
तो हैप्पी बर्थडे खुराना भाई, शादी में तो तू आ नहीं सकता, तेरी कमी हरी पूरी करेगा मेरी शादी में आके।
हैप्पी बर्थडे। और खुराना के साथ अपनी अच्छी मेमोरी है भाई, याद है अपन गोल्डन रूट पर रहते थे और खुराना के पास हमेशा कोल्ड ड्रिंक रहती थी, पर मेरे लिए छूट थी। मैं तो बोलता अरे जब तेरा मन कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी थी मजे से। तो अपन ने तो खुराना में राज किया, खुराना के राज में। खुराना जब भी इंडिया आए भाई को याद करना, तेरा भाई मिलने आएगा तो। और हैप्पी बर्थडे वन अगेन।
वैसे खुराना की एक चीज याद है मुझे, महीने भर का ग्रोसरी एक ही बार लेकर आता था।
अरे वो ला देता। और खुराना आई एम रियली सॉरी यार, जब तेरा पहला बर्थडे था तो मुलाकात हुई थी, मैंने तेरे को बहुत बुरा मारा था। आई एम रियली सॉरी।
अच्छा शुभी बोलो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बाबा।
थैंक यू बाबा।
हर्षित गो फॉर इट। हर्षित भाटी।
हाँ भाई, भाई विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई खुराना। काफी टाइम हो गया मिले नहीं है, पता नहीं तो पहले लगता ही है। विश यू थोड़ा डपा, मिलते हैं, चीयर्स गाइस। तो भाई बस टेक केयर, एंजॉय कर यार। अगेन विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे।
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको।
हाँ।
हम आपके साथ हैं और कोई ना हो, हम आपके साथ हैं।
Happy birthday, bhai. Hope you enjoy your day.
हाय भाई। स्कूल के बाद लगता है पहली बार बात कर रहे होंगे हम, तब उसके पहले हम कभी मिले थे शायद एक बार, तेरे घर पे मिले थे मुझे लगता है, उससे पहले तो कभी नहीं मिले। सो स्कूल टाइम तो पूरा टाइम तेरे घर पे बीता है हमारा। सो फाइनली अब बात हो रही है मेरी और तेरी। सो इस टाइम पे मैं बस बोलूँगा कि यार हैप्पी बर्थडे, और विश करूँगा कि हम लोग आगे मिलें फिर से वैसे ही जैसे पहले मिलते थे, तेरे घर पे खाना और एक्सबॉक्स। ठीक है चल।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्षय, होपफुली अब तेरे को गाड़ी चलाने को मिल जाती होगी। सही है, मिलते हैं, एंजॉय योर डे। सॉरी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कुछ सोच नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं अभी क्या बोलना चाहिए, बट या लेट्स कैच अप ओवर अ कॉल। सही है, हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय योर डे, बाय।
हाय अक्षय, हैप्पी बर्थडे, विश यू अ लॉट्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, बहुत बहुत मस्ती कर, एंड विश यू गुड हेल्थ इन दिस कोविड टाइम्स। और हाँ, school times were the best. I still remember them. There's not even a single day I don't think of school and friends like you, Ankit and Ashutosh, Akash, everyone, like जो भी हम लोग मस्ती करते थे, everyone, बहुत चीज़ें थी स्कूल में, क्या कुछ नहीं किया है। टीचरों से डांट खाना, बाहर खड़े होना, क्लास के बाहर निकाल दिया जाना, स्पोर्ट्स, ये वो मौज मस्ती, हैविंग क्रश ऑन द सेम गर्ल, और ये सब चलता रहता है। बट डेफिनेटली इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी ग्रेट टाइम, जिसकी वजह से आज हम सब अपनी अपनी लाइफ में जहाँ भी हैं बढ़िया हैं, एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दैट। सो विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन,
Take care, bro.
Hey Akshay, how's you, buddy? It's been a very long time, yeah. So, how's everyone there? And I wish everyone is safe during this pandemic and all. I hope you are safe and you are doing good along with your family. And yes, do enjoy this day. Happiest birthday, bro. I think for the last 10 to 12 years, it's for the very first time that I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. It's not because of something else, just because we were not in touch exactly. So I'll try to keep in touch. We'll be in touch. We'll surely call you, buddy. And enjoy, man. Take full use of pandemic situations and enjoy with your family. Happiest birthday, bro.
Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. Like so many of you, I wish we could be celebrating together at a Nagar Kirtan or at a Gurdwara. But we all have to do our part to fight COVID-19. Happy birthday. On behalf of Torontonians and Canadians everywhere, I want to thank you.
It is a proud moment for all the Bal Bhavanites. He has been an inspirer, a mentor. His dedication and devotion towards his work has always motivated me to do good. For him, work is worship. And I am proud to say that I am a Bal Bhavanite.
I am thankful to him for his guidance, for his supervision as well. I am thankful and grateful to all of them. Today it was just like a Deepavali for me. I am thankful to one and all for their contribution, for their appreciation, for their cooperation and coordination as well. Thank you very much.
You have a great business. You've been voted #1 at everything. No matter what you do, you seem to be #1. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I would never say in your case that you're fired because you're doing too well. So I'll just say you're hired. You're a spectacular guy. You have a long way to go. Happy birthday.